All right, let's talk about something real. That feeling you get when you have these massive, world-changing ambitions, but your body just wants to do absolutely nothing. We're diving into that exact conflict today.
I mean, does this sound familiar? You've got this incredible idea for a new project, or you're determined to get in shape, or maybe learn a new skill. But when it's go time, somehow the couch and your phone win. Every single time. If that hits close to home, trust me, you are not alone.
And yeah, there's actually a name for this. It's called the ambition-laziness conflict. And here's the most important part. This is not a personal flaw. It's not you being broken. It's a totally normal, recognized psychological thing. Basically a tug of war between the amazing future you envision and the comfy, cozy present you're in right now.
And this slide just nails what that feels like day to day, doesn't it? Our ambition is screaming, launch that project, but our default setting is just like, nah, I'll start tomorrow. We want to learn that new skill, but somehow just one more episode turns into a whole season. It's this super frustrating loop of aiming high, but then just scrolling. Okay, so here's where we're going to flip the script. Let's reframe this entire thing. This isn't a character flaw. You're not lazy. Think of it like this. Your personal operating system, your collection of habits and mindsets, is just out of date. It's not built to handle your big ambitions. So today, we're giving that system a complete upgrade.
All right, section 1. First things first, we got to upgrade your inner game. This is the core code for your new operating system. It's all about those foundational mindsets that are going to power everything else we talk about.
Look, motivation is awesome, but it's totally unreliable. It's like a sugar rush. It comes and goes. Your why, though, that deep, meaningful reason you're doing something, that's the real fuel. It's the only thing that'll keep you going on the days you just don't feel like it. It's the absolute foundation of this whole new system.
So I want you to really think about this for a second. What is the true why behind your ambition? Like, really, why do you want it? Is it about money, freedom, making an impact? Getting super honest with yourself here is the first, most crucial step to turning that why into a real powerhouse for action.
And this is a big one. A lot of the time, what we call laziness is really just us chasing goals that aren't even ours. They're what society or our parents or Instagram tells us we should want. But when you ditch those shoulds and pick goals that are genuinely meaningful to you, man, that's when you tap into this natural, powerful motivation that makes everything feel so much easier.
This next one is a huge piece of the puzzle. Perfectionism. It's a progress killer. That pressure to get it perfect right out of the gate is absolutely paralyzing, right? It makes taking that first step feel like climbing Mount Everest. The solution is simple. Just focus on progress, not perfection. Give yourself permission to be messy, to be a beginner. Just aim for one tiny step forward. That's it.
Okay, so our inner game, our core code, is getting an upgrade. Now it's time to install the outer game. This is like the user interface for your new system, the practical, hands-on stuff you do every day to make things actually happen. Now, this is one of my favorite features to install, the micro wins feature. Seriously, this is a game changer. Big goals are just overwhelming. They're scary. But when you break them down into stupidly small actions, like your goal isn't write a book, it's write one sentence. That's it. Each tiny little win you get builds momentum, and pretty soon you've got this unstoppable snowball of progress.
So let's talk about the engine of this new system. We need to switch from running on motivation to running on habits. Why? Because motivation, like we said, is that flashy app that drains your battery and crashes all the time. Habits, on the other hand, are the low-energy, super efficient background processes. They just run, automatically, every day, no matter how you feel.
And sometimes, even the best system needs a little push from the outside. That's where these external levers come in. Think of them as power-ups. You've got accountability, telling a friend your goals so they can check in on you, and you've got rewards, giving yourself a little treat for getting the hard stuff done. Both of these are fantastic ways to give yourself an extra nudge when you need it most.
Okay, let's talk about your environment, because it's a huge part of your user interface. If your phone is buzzing and YouTube is one click away, you're basically designing your life to make the lazy choice the easy choice. You have to flip that. Make focus the path of least resistance. Be ruthless about it. Block distracting websites. Put your phone in another room. Design your space to support your goals, not to sabotage them. This next one is a super important update, the balance protocol. Because trying to force productivity when you are just completely drained, that's not hustle. That's just a one-way ticket to burnout.
The smart move is to learn how to adjust. If you're having a low-energy day, scale back your goals for that day. It's okay. And please allow yourself guilt-free downtime. Rest isn't lazy, it's essential system maintenance.
All right, we've tinkered with the inner code, we've installed the user interface. So, Section 3, it is time to reboot the whole system and launch this upgrade.
Listen, if you forget everything else we talked about, please remember this one thing. The crucial point is progress, not perfection. The secret here isn't waking up one day with magical willpower. It's just about the simple, kind of boring, but incredibly powerful act of taking one small step and then another. It's about celebrating that tiny bit of progress every single day.
So, I'm leaving you with this question. What's the very first feature of this new system you're going to install today, right now? Are you going to take one of your big goals and break it into a tiny micro win? Are you going to text a friend to create some accountability? Or maybe just spend 5 quiet minutes figuring out your real why? The upgrade doesn't start tomorrow. It starts with one small decision right now.